Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to buy Exxon Mobil stocks. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. So let's get started. First, you have to choose a reliable brokerage that allows trading on the New York Exchange. That's where Exxon Mobil is listed. After choosing a reliable brokerage, you have to open an account and complete the registration and verification process. Once all the processes are done, you can deposit funds into your account using your preferred method. After the payment, you have to be on your brokerage app or website. Here, search for Exxon Mobil or XOM. Decide how many shares you want to buy or enter a dollar amount if your broker supports fractional shares. You can place your order. Now you have two options. You can use a market order for an instant purchase, or the second option is a limit order to set your preferred price. Once purchased, your Exxon Mobil shares will appear in your portfolio. You can then track performance or set price alerts. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.